Hello everyone. Today this is another toy wash video. Actually the newest in Kriti's toy shop. Today we're gonna wash Mr. Monkey. It's an Indian monkey. So this is like really old. It belonged to my grandma. She was, little bit, and all the way to it goes all the way to the 90s. It's a classic basic toy. So we're gonna be washing this and this. He is my childhood friend, Mr. Giraffe. So this he hangs by the side of my bed every night, and he's so cute and all. I hugged him when I was a baby. So let's wash the duo and let's start. Okay, guys. So let's put Mr. Monkey in first. Reviews, it's okay. Wash. Watch him spin. Cool. And then let's put my bestest friend. It's okay. Here's some pen. Really? Report is a wee and visually decorate. And just for a little dash. Yay. So happy. Cool.